Yo, so I'm gonna be honest. Most people aren't using ChatGPT completely wrong, but they're not really using it to the best of its abilities. So normally they just open a new chat, ask a question, close it, open another one, and their whole experience becomes a mess. There's a better way, and it's called projects. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it is, how it works, and how you can organize your entire life. Here's the problem. When you don't use projects, everything gets scattered. You lose important info, you repeat yourself, you can't find old conversations. It's like trying to build a house with all your tools thrown in the yard. But projects fixes that. So what are ChatGPT projects? Projects let you keep related conversations, files, and instructions all in one place. Think of it like folders for your brain. Each project has its own chats, its own files, and its own memory. That means ChatGPT remembers the context inside that project, not from random other chats. Let me show you how it works. First, click on Projects on the left sidebar. Now, click New Project. I'll name this one YouTube Channel. Now you can add custom instructions, upload files, and start new chats inside this project. Watch this. When I start a new chat in this project, ChatGPT already knows what this project is about. Same for files, they stay here and are available in every chat in this project. Now here's some real examples. Let's say you're a student. You can create a school project and keep all your homework help, notes, and study plans in one place. If you run a business, create a business project for your content, emails, and strategy. If you're planning a trip, create a travel project and keep all your itineraries, budgets, and ideas the same. And they're all organized in one area. Now, let's talk mistakes. First mistake, people don't use projects at all. Second, mixing personal stuff and work stuff in the same project. Third, not setting custom instructions, which makes ChatGPT less helpful. Don't do these. You have to understand, AI is such a powerful tool. It will literally do whatever you tell it to. But that's the thing, you have to tell it what to do. Look, if this helped you out, do me a favor, hit that like, subscribe, drop a comment, all them things y'all be doing, and let me know what kind of project you're gonna create first. I will definitely read everything. I will help out whatever I can, and I will holler at y'all next time. Peace.